Today in Granny's kitchen we're going to make broccoli and Stilton soup. Now this is a very easy soup and all you need are 2 pints of chicken stock, or you can use vegetable if you wish, 3 heads of fresh broccoli which I'm going to wash and chop into florets, 1 onion which I'll also chop, and some Stilton. I've now prepared all the broccoli. I've washed the broccoli and cut it in roughly into big florets. And I'm going to add that to the pan. And I'm adding the 2 pints of chicken stock and 1 chopped onion. And then I'll simmer it for about 30 to 40 minutes until the onion is soft. Now I won't actually add the cheese until the soup has been blended. If you're freezing this soup, freeze it as it is when it comes off the stove. Don't freeze it with the cheese already added because it might separate. So I'm just going to cover that and bring it up to a boiling heat and then turn it down to a simmer. Right, after your 30 minutes or 40 minutes with your blender, you'll see how the broccoli's all broken up anyway. And we didn't have to cut it very finely. While it's hot, from this block, I'm just going to use Stilton cheese. I'm just going to cut it into cubes, and that way it will dissolve quite easily in the soup. And it will gradually melt. Again, it's more or less to your taste. This might not be enough Stilton for you. You might want a little more, but that looks rather nice. The cheese is dissolved nicely in the hot soup, and you can serve that. I've plated up the broccoli and Stilton soup, and in the centre I've just put a shaving of extra Stilton. Now I'm going to taste this, and I'm quite happy with it like that. I don't need any extra salt and pepper, but I know others may do.